All right, what's up, everybody? So today I ain't got much exciting news or exciting video to make for y'all because I don't really have any parts right now. This thing's broke. The old Accord is broke. My master cylinder went out. Big story. Driving home and literally lost brakes. Like my brake pedal just kept going to the floor every time. So just talking about a tragic story. So I got a new car, and as you can see, I have no. In my driveway, no Grand Cherokee anymore, but I have another Accord now. So 2021 Accord Sport 2.0 turbo, you know. I got the bigger, you know, 2.0 turbo Sport, you know. So tragic story. Had to get rid of the Grand Cherokee. Just wasn't working out for me because I had just too much. It was too much money to maintain. You know, big engine, and I do a lot of driving, like all over the place. I'm all over, going to all these places and whatnot, and it was just way too much money for gas. So I was like, I had to get a family car, gas saver, you know. So now I got two Accords. I got this Accord and I got the old Accord. So I got two Accords now. So I'm gonna start making content with this one instead of the Grand Cherokee. I really wanted the Grand Cherokee. That's, you know, that's where I used to sit right there. Really wanted to keep the Grand Cherokee, but it's just, it costs too much money to build it, and I just don't have the funds for that right now. Like the last time I filled it up for gas was about $70, and gas right now is about almost $3, 3 and some change. So it's a lot of money, and I just couldn't afford it. So I mean, I could have, but then I wouldn't have money to play around with and build my cars how I want to build them. So got this. So pretty nice. I mean, brand new, right off the lot, you know, clean engine bay. It was everything brand new. I'll show y'all the engine bay for those who haven't seen the engine bay of one of the brand new Accords. Ooh, struggling. Oh, okay. So yeah, brand new. I got some things coming for this. I got some things ordered. I'm gonna get me the front lip for the car, and I want to get me the PRL intake tube, which will just get rid of this. Supposedly you get a lot better turbo noises coming out of it once you change this out, because it's a lot slicker tube. Get me a K&N air filter. I'm gonna keep the stock box. You know, I like stock boxes. They usually work out a little bit better than those open boxes. You know, you get all that cold air within the stock box. For right now, what else? I want to get me a chrome delete too. This thing's got chrome all over, and I'm not the biggest fan of chrome. There's some on the front too. Chrome all the way across here. So I think I'm gonna do a chrome delete, and then I eventually want to put this thing on bags. Really want to put it on bags because I really want to. I thought about lowering it on lowering springs, but it's just, I go all over the place, and I'm really scared of bottoming out somewhere. So I'd rather just put it on bags. I can lower it, raise it however I want to, and not have to ever worry about bottoming out anywhere. Maybe get a spoiler for this too. Thought about getting a rear spoiler, get rid of this one and put something a little bit more aggressive, and then possibly a rear diffuser as well. So I mean, as far as plans for this, I have a lot more plans, you know, in the future. Maybe some different wheels too. So yeah, for that, that's about all I got on this one. As far as the older Accord, it's just been sitting here. I've been driving the new one every day, so the old Accord's been sitting here for the past like 2 weeks. Haven't even driven it, haven't started it. So yeah, that's what we're working with. Like I said, the master cylinder went out when I was driving it one day back home, and it's just been sitting here ever since. But I want to pull it around to the backyard because I don't really have the room in my driveway to do a whole lot with it. So I want to pull it around in the backyard. We got a little patio area back there where I can tear it apart. As you can tell, we don't have a garage, so sadly I can pull it back there into the backyard, and I want to tear this thing apart. I want to put I want to turbo it, I want to boost it. So I want to take the engine out, the trans out altogether, put a new clutch in it, boost it, ARP head studs, deck the head. What else? basically do the whole works on it. I want to build it. I want this to be my fun car, you know, sleeper. I'm gonna keep it pretty stock looking on the outside for right now. I mean, I thought about painting it, but kind of, you know, the old paint kind of gives it character, you know, even more of a sleeper look. So I don't know. I mean, if anyone has any comments or ideas on what else I should do, feel free to drop it down in the comment section, because I don't know what all I can do. I mean, there's a lot of things I can do with it, but I don't know what all I should do first. Like I said, it needs a clutch. The master cylinder went out on it. What else? Need axles. The axles are really bad. They click. You know, I know a lot of people say that that's a common thing with Hondas. You get that clicking when you turn in the axles. What else is broke on it? Really want to delete ABS, because I mean, it's a 94. ABS probably doesn't work. The ABS light comes on half the time I start it anyway. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I got for right now. I mean, this, and like I said, the new Accord, the new one's what I'm driving every day. So I can't do a whole lot with the new one, since that's my daily for the moment. So I'll start tearing this one apart, and then I get that one back on the road. So yeah, I mean, I got 2 Accords. 2. I had the Grand Cherokee for a year, and I enjoyed it. It was fun. I loved that thing. I straight piped it, put an exhaust, you know, I'd already had an X pipe, straight piped it, and then de-plasti dipped the wheels, because whoever had it before damaged the wheels, so they plasti dipped them. So I took all that stuff off, painted them myself, put the black stripe in the middle, and yeah, I mean, that's all I really got for y'all. Sadly, I ain't got nothing else to really do right now. Like I said, I'm waiting on parts. I ordered me the front lip, and I ordered me that Pirro intake, and I'm gonna get me a blackout kit for the trim. Other than that, I mean, that's all I got. So I guess once the lip should be coming in soon, and that should be coming in soon, then I can show y'all installs on that. So until then, you know, I got 2 Accords, 2 Hondas. So I will see y'all once that's done.